Well, Wednesday and the overcast, cold, miserable day. Keeps raining, but the pond water is more or less now back to normal. I think a couple of more days and it'll be crystal clear again. They're just coming up for a snack. It makes a change to be able to see the fish. It's taken several weeks to get it to this level, and now it's a question of trying to keep it here. I'll say I've got no algae in the pond. The pond's completely clear of algae, and it was basically just the rain that was turning the pond a browny colour, possibly too much iron in it. And then I had the problem of all the sawdust landing on the pond. That was doing my head in because it went on for 3 days and I couldn't get rid of it. But now the fish are back to normal. They're eating, coming up for the food, swimming around and enjoying themselves in whatever way fish enjoy themselves. But the little ones are chasing themselves around the pond, swimming up and down and jumping out the pond and then again as they chase each other. Can't believe these were only small teeny little ones last year, less than half an inch in size, and now they're up to about 6 inches. Grown very, very fast. One thing about the skimmer, a few people have asked me about the skimmer, and I'll show you one thing about the skimmer. This skimmer has got one hole in the top. You can see it there. One hole in the top. I found that helps to clear all the small particles off the top of the pond by just having the one hole. Now the other top I've got for it is this one here, and this one's got 4 holes in it. The one there, it's got 4 holes in it, and this I found is better for sucking in all the big particles out of the water, like the fish food that's left over. So you could get 2 tops, or you could basically just cover one up with tape and leave one hole, depending on what you after clearing out the pond. Fine particles, 1 hole. Big particles, 4 holes. And it works fine. I think I've thrown a bit too much snack on there for the fish. Oh, they will clear it. It's just calcium worms. They seem to like them, and they'll shift all those within half an hour, and they don't sink, so they're okay, and they don't give off any grease or anything. I normally get the birds coming down to take them off the edges of the pond, but this week there seem to be no birds anywhere. The birds all seem to have just disappeared. Anyway, if you can, or should I say if you want to, please subscribe. I'd like some more subscribers. And I'll see you in the next one. The next one I think is going to be a modification to the filter system. Or possibly the beginning of a camera on the pond to broadcast live. See you in that one.